All right, it's Mark DeLeese. We are back, and this thing is going to be getting better and better. One thing that I wanted to show you is the syncing of all of your Facebook lead ads. Now, you simply come here and you go sync Facebook lead ads. Now, this is a very, very powerful part of the software. You go to manage your accounts, and all you need to do is simply link up your Facebook account. Now, I've already done that, so if I click on there, it's automatically populated. And once you do that, it's already mine is already saved down here. Okay, now you can delete them and sync more Facebook profiles that you have right here. And I'm going to show you how to create a bridge. And you click on Create Bridge. Now again, this is linked to my Facebook account, so I would click which one I've added, and there can be multiple here, so I'll click on that one there, and then all of my Facebook pages will show up. So I'm going to be getting on my Mark DeLeese, my main Mark DeLeese page, and when I do that, it gives you the option to select which form you have created. Now, to create a form, you need to go to your Facebook, open up your Facebook, and you need to go to your Power Editor, okay? For your Power Editor for creating an ad. It must be in your Chrome browser, and you go to your Power Editor and you create your ad. And you see that I've done one right here. You know, create your text and your headline, any description, any URL that you want. You put an image if you want an image or video right here. And so here's my ad right here. And you can see when I come down below, you'll see here that it says lead form. Okay, now this is a new feature. And you can create a new form, and I've created a number of them, and you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, new test, a new test copy. All these show up. Let me bring up. All these show up right here. Okay, Facebook lead forms. You know that these are the same ones. So it's linked to Facebook's API, and so I'm going to create a new form just to show you how this works. And you can see how it works. And I'm going to come here. I'm going to create a new form. And it's going to be a new lead form, and go next, and it's going to be, for example, CTA monster demo video. Okay, there you go. And for Facebook leads, there you go. That's my title, and I'll go to next. And what do I want to get? I want to get the email and full name, more options here, and so forth. Okay, so I'm just going to get the email and the full name. You can also ask a number of questions that you want to do here. You can ask, car make and all kinds of neat stuff. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to next, and here you need to put in your privacy policy URL. I'm just going to put in, for example, just for demo purposes, google.com, and disclaimer links. I'm going to put, now you want to put true links in there. This is just for, to quickly do this here. And you want to go next, add a link to your website. So I'm going to put in, this is the link that they go to after they click submit. Okay, and I'll click on next. And now I can add a context card to your form. You can see that this image here, I can add an image to the form. I should do that. Otherwise, the form code is not going to look all that great. But obviously, for illustration purposes, I can add a nice graph and some bullet points inside the form. But I'm going to not do that now. You should do that, but I'm not going to do that now. And so here's the create the form. Go back and edit. There it is. So that is created. And I'm going to come down below, and you can see that now it's in the list here, and it is selected. And I'm going to simply come back here, and I'm going to click on Review Changes, and click on that, and click on Continue. So now my changes are done. There. So now I'm going to come, and I'm going to go to the CTA monster, and I'm just going to refresh, obviously. So I need to refresh and create a bridge. And I'm going to select my Mark DeLeese and Facebook pages. So now you can see when I click my web form will be in here. So Facebook forms. So there it is right there. See that? CTA Monster Demo Video. So now it's in there. Now I need to select my autoresponder. And mine is Get Response, just like that. And I will click on Load Credentials. Now these credentials are already entered inside your integrations. Okay, that's why it's auto-populated when I click on Load Credentials. Now I need to select the list. Now I have a test list that I've created at GetResponse, and my test list is, this is the name of my test list, CTA Monster _ test. That's my test list that I've created. There's no context in that list, so I will show you. From there, I will go to, now the quick way, now I have many lists in here, okay? Now the quick way to do that, because they're not alphabetized, you'll notice the same thing on JVZoo. But if you click on Control F and you click, and I will just put the name of my CTA Monster _ test. Okay, so there it is right there. See it? So it comes up in the field there to a search and find. So all you need to do is click on Select. And when I do that, it's auto-populated, and I'll click on Save. Okay, so now it's linked to my GetResponse Autoresponder. There's my bridge. Click on All Bridges. I clicked on All Bridges, and there it is right there. So there's my third bridge, and it's created. It's going to CTA Monster Demo Video Facebook Leads. That's the form, and it's going to my GetResponse. So now I'm going to go back to the Power Editor. Okay, and I'm going to show you where this URL is. I'm going to click on this link here. I'm going to edit this. I'm just going to get the URL for this. Okay, I'm going to get the URL for this, and here it is right here. View post permalink with comments. So I'll click on that. So there it is right there. There's the ad. Okay, there's the ad, and so if I click anywhere inside here, it's going to ask me for my full name and email address. Now I'm going to put anything in here. So Mark Delise, okay? And I'm going to have it go to this email address. Now it's auto-populated with your Facebook email address. So it's auto-populated. And so I'm going to show you that this does work. So watch what happens now. I'm going to click on Next. And obviously I click on Submit. And if I view website, it's going to bring me to CTA Monster. Remember that? View website. There it is right there. Okay, so that's really cool. That works. So there is my confirmation email. It sent a confirmation email and to CTA Monster _ test. So I'll click on that there, and it'll say please confirm. Okay, so I've confirmed that, and there it is right there. And now I will go to my GetResponse, and here's my GetResponse, and I will click on search. This is the CTA Monster _ test campaign. I'll click on search, and there's my lead. Okay, so basically it went from Facebook web form to CTA Monster, and then it linked right into my GetResponse Autoresponder. So it works like gangbusters. This is Mark Delise. I'm signing off with CTA Monster. Make sure you get on this. This is the Facebook lead sync, and you can add multiple autoresponders, multiple bridges, multiple Facebook accounts. If you have a client list, if you're doing marketing for businesses, this will work for all of them. Thank you.